Hey guys, Dan the Man 92 here, back again with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you all my Milwaukee hand tools, what I think about them, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, let's get started. So the first one that I have today is this Milwaukee. I believe this is a 8-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver. So as you can see, it comes with a Phillips number 1. Also comes with, I believe this is number 2. Yep, number 2. Then we have 2 slotted, as well as 2 of these squared ones, 2 different sizes. This is a square 3. Square 2. Actually has 3 of these square ones. And a square 1. So obviously I don't use the squares all that much, but it's nice to have there. Wonder if Milwaukee makes these same size button like Torx. That'd be pretty cool. But anyway, have all those, and then you have a little wire bender right there. Don't use that, but ratcheting works nicely. Use this pretty much on a daily basis. I will put a link in the description of the part number for this, but I don't know if you can see here, but all of the bits have individual part numbers. So if you're missing one, you can just buy a new one. So this is my first Milwaukee hand tool that I have. So let's move on to the next one. Next one I have here is my Milwaukee diagonal cutters. These are pretty nice. I believe they have 2 different degrees on this one. They have this one and then another one I do not remember off the top of my head. Let's see if there's a part number on this. No, I cannot tell a part number, but I'll put a link in the description on the Home Depot website. But really like these. The only thing that I do not like about these is that the cutting could be better. Now I used to have a pair of Kleins that they would just cut really well. These ones, not so much, but they do the job. I've had these ones for about a year. I like them. Up next is I have a 10-inch and 6-inch adjustable wrenches. Now I got these from a 2-pack at Home Depot. You can see the part number. There we go. There's the part number for the 6-inch and the part number for the 10-inch. So the 10-inch can go up to an 1.5 inches, and the 6-inch can go up to 1 inch. Now I do plan on getting the 8-inch one as well. I believe that one goes up to 2 inches for the opening. I believe. Don't quote me. But I do plan on getting that one soon. I have had no issues with these at all. I actually use these 10-inch ones almost every single day at work. I like them. Good size. I do wish I had the 8-inch a little bit smaller. Can carry it a lot easier in my pocket, but it is what it is. So now the last one, or actually no, I still got a few more. I have my Milwaukee screwdriver set that I got, I think I got that one 2 months ago or something like that. But it's a nice set. I've used which one did I use? I think I've used this one twice, and that's pretty much it. I do like that it has the hex shanks on them. You can slide a wrench on it, so that way you can get a little bit more leverage. Plus they have that little opening so that you could slide, in theory, slide a screwdriver on there, kind of use it like a T-handle. That's pretty cool. I do like that on the back of them, they have them all labeled what they are, because usually I keep them right here in my service cart right here. So it's nice that I can take a quick glance just to see that I have the right one. Up next, we have my Milwaukee pocket knife fastback. Like this a lot. Use this every day at work, cutting things. Pretty nice belt clip. I switch back between this and a gear wrench one. Lately I used to have my gear wrench one a lot, but I had to bring it back home to tighten it up a little bit because the blade would just randomly open up in my pocket. So I had to tighten that, and I just keep leaving it at home, so I've been having this one. Anyway, the part number is that one right there. And I think that's it. So let's go finish this video up. So I did have another tool. I had the, the razor blade with stores the 5 blades in it, but I can't find that right now. I know I brought it home, but it's probably in one of my pants pockets somewhere. But those are all my hand tools that I have from Milwaukee. I do have their 1/2-inch drill, and I have some other stuff too, but those are just what I have for hand tools. Oh, yeah, that's right. I also have the Milwaukee adapter right here. I can just put into a drill. Also have a few of these T25 mini bits. But that is all I have. Hand tools from Milwaukee. Now their hand tools, I've heard mixed reviews. Some people say they should just stick with cordless tools. Some people say their hand tools are good. So each person has their own opinion. You make whatever you think is the best choice for you. I like their adjustable wrench. I do like their diagonal cutters. I do wish they were a little bit sharper, but I can sharpen that on my own. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to also subscribe if you are not a subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.